up on aisle 3. Somebody's been dropping them cigarette ashes all over the place. Lord have mercy, I got to get some stuff. Good gracious. Oh, Alberta! Alberta Stackhouse!
It's Ann.
Didn't I just run into you over at the Betty Pearl's reunion?
Yeah, I got a bone to pick with you about all that.
A bone to pick with me? Betty, that you trailing me like some CSI stuff or something?
No, I'm here to get some chicken salad, but I want to see what's in your purse.
Ain't nothing in my purse.
Mm-hmm.
Why you want to look at my purse?
You've been spotted stealing dessert
You
out of
what?
there. That's a cigarette cough.
No crap. I know what it is,
Quit that there
Albert.
smoking.
I know what it is.
Quit that old smoking.
Why you want to look at my purse?
I want to see if you snuck some of that banana pudding that I've been trailing.
Maybe I did and maybe I didn't. What you gonna do about it?
That's not.
I swear, I tell you what, you church folk always run around judging people.
Well, you keep stealing the food. We
See,
can't.
I told you back in junior high, if you'd have stuck with me, your life would have been a whole lot more fun. And here you are hanging out with Betty Pearl and what you got going on for your Wednesday night prayer meeting.
Well, yeah, but if I hung out with you, I'd have a cigarette cough.
Yeah, but you'd be happy.
You want me to get you an oxygen tank?
Yeah, you got one. They got them on sale over here at the picker thing.
I heard that Horace got him a job and lost it in the same day. What happened with that?
He gets jobs and he talks about it and everything, but he ain't worth nothing.
Well, what happened? Why did he lose that job?
Cause he,
Oh, that's unsavory there. Okay.
well,
Well, what you?
he was looking up on some woman, Alberta, and I don't really care. I don't mind if a bull goes over to another pasture every now and then.
And well, did you pay Betty Pearl back her little money yet?
No, but I'm gonna work on it.
Lord.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on it. I know Betty, she means well.
She does.
She's just real funny about her money.
Well, you know, you're on a fixed
She acts
income.
like fixed income.
Fixed income.
Well, she got all kind of money in every bank all over Spartanburg.
Well, between you and me,
Yeah.
and I did tell her to fix it and forget it.
Well, she needs to forget it. That's $35, and I give it to her.
Forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors.
Oh, Lord, you get ready to pray?
No,
If you get ready to pray, I'm gonna have to go.
well, I done heard you know.
I need to go anyway. They got samples over there on aisle 5, and I want to get me some of that activities before they run out.
Well, you know that makes you go boo-boo.
Well, I know, but you know.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna pray for you.
All right.
I'm gonna pray for you.
You go and pray, right?
Yep. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily
See ya.